Today, I'm going to teach you how to export a project in Google AI Studio. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your work, share it with collaborators, or migrate your project to a different environment. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to astudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the project you want to export, as this will ensure you can see all your apps and settings. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface. Here you'll find various navigation options. Click on Build to expand the menu. This section contains all the tools you need for creating and managing your applications. From the options that appear, select your apps. This will take you to a page displaying all the projects and applications you've created within Google AI Studio. Now take a moment to browse through your list of apps. Look for the specific project you want to export. Once you've located it, click on its name to open it. This step is essential because you need to be inside the project workspace before you can access the export options. With your project now open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Download App. Click this button to initiate the export process. Google AI Studio will prepare your project files and package them into a single downloadable file. Depending on the size of your project, this might take a few moments, so be patient while the system processes everything. Once the download completes, the file will be saved to your Downloads folder by default. Navigate to your Downloads folder on your computer to locate the file. You'll notice it's been saved as a zip file, which is a compressed archive containing all your project code and related files. The final step is to unzip this file to access the full project contents. Simply double-click the zip file or right-click and select the extract option, depending on your operating system. Once extracted, you'll have access to all your project files, including the code, assets, and any configuration files associated with your app. You can now use these files however you need, whether that's for backup purposes, sharing with team members, or deploying to another platform. And that's it. You've successfully exported your project from Google AI Studio and now have a complete copy of all your work safely stored on your local machine. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.